slides in on the frosty breeze. Three oranges.
Look at my 3 oranges changing color now.
Trees. Fruit trees shiver in their sleepy state, losing their leaves as the nights get late. At Anne's place we gather near the fire, stories and laughter drifting higher. A fig's hanging on, stubborn and proud, while leafless branches reach out.
My first orange tree that has not produced any fruit yet, hopefully next year.
Still hanging tight. Winter's whisper turning day into night. Fruit trees doze in a snowy embrace. Winter adventures at Anne's sweet place. Kumquats grow tiny, brave.
I'm ever so proud of these avocado trees growing from seeds planted last year.
Refusing to fold. Anne's garden whispers secrets of old through the frost, tales of wonder told. Days grow shorter, but the warmth inside.
To the right here is my newly bought 4-year-old lemon tree.
At bay where love resides. Bundled up tight, we toast to the year, sharing moments with those we hold dear. 3 oranges on the tree, still hanging tight. Winter's whisper turning day into night.
This kumquat is still producing whilst the other one stopped for winter.
Winter adventures at Anne's sweet place.
See, it lost its leaves and ripened the last 2 kumquats on it.
Winter slides in on the frosty breeze. 3 oranges cling on the orange trees. Fruit trees shiver in their sleepy state, losing their leaves as the nights get late. At Anne's place we gather near the fire.
The fig tree lost all its leaves, but the one fig is still hanging on.
Laughter drifting higher. A fig's hanging on, stubborn and proud, while leafless
This young peach is also getting ready for winter.
3 oranges on the tree, still
This one too.
hanging tight. Winter's whisper turning day